any resources that you'd point our listeners to? Where do you still find yourself going to learn more about the industry and push yourself to get better and go for new ideas?
That's a great question. Where I typically, there in the water field, which is the one that I know the best, there is a fair number of very good associations that support water utilities. The American Water Works Association, or AWWA, the Water Environment Federation. Those really help on the technical and operational side. Then there's an organization called NACWA, which is the National Association of Clean Water Agencies, which helps more on legal and governance questions. The U.S. Water Alliance is probably the best broad-based water organization that's trying to connect and make the connections between water and so many sectors of the society. I seek out those organizations and then get myself, not all the time, obviously we all have work to do, but I make myself go to conferences, and when I'm at the conferences, I'm serious about it. I mean, some folks, I'm not pointing the finger at anyone, but there are people I know that go to conferences and sort of think of them as an extended vacation.
Yeah.
And to me, conferences is where some of the best people in the world are presenting their best outputs, because everyone wants to impress everybody else. So if you go to those programs and listen, you're going to hear the best of the best from all around the country or all around the world about what's going on out there. And that's what I try to do on a regular basis. I pick 2 or 3 conferences a year, and I take it like school. I'm not going there for the fun of it. I'm going there, I'm going to go to these, I'm going to take notes, I'm going to hear from the best of the best and keep myself abreast of what's out there. And it's been incredibly valuable to me. My staff always was worried because I'd come back and say, oh, I want to do this, and I want to do that. And they're like, no more, we're doing too much already. But I do always want to keep up to date. The world is changing fast. There's all sorts of smart folks like you inventing all these new techniques and practices, and I want to keep up on them so I know what they are and I can implement them to the benefit of our customers, and in this case, our clients from Moonshot, and help the good of the order. So that's what I try to do.